If your Google Drive is full, don't worry. In this video, I'm going to show you the fastest way to free up storage so you can keep uploading, syncing, and saving files without hitting that limit again. We'll go step by step, and I'll also show you the key thing people forget at the end that actually makes the space come back. If this tutorial helps, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more simple tech guides just like this. Alright, let's jump in. First, open Google Drive in your browser and make sure you're signed into the correct Google account. This matters because your storage is tied to the account you're using, so if you clean up the wrong one, you won't see any difference. Once Google Drive loads, look at the left-hand sidebar and click on Storage. This is where Google shows you exactly how much space you're using and which files are taking up the most room. When you open Storage, Google Drive automatically sorts your files by size, with the largest files usually appearing first. This is super helpful because the biggest files are often the fastest way to recover a lot of storage in just a few clicks. Take a minute to review the list carefully. Look for large videos, old zip files, duplicate backups, outdated PDFs, or anything else you no longer need stored in Drive. Now start selecting the files you want to remove. You can click one file at a time, or if you want to remove multiple files, hold Control on Windows or Command on Mac while clicking each one. If you're not sure whether a file is important, open it first or check the file name and date so you don't delete something you still need. The goal is to remove the biggest unnecessary files first so you get the most storage back as quickly as possible. After selecting the unwanted files, right-click and choose Remove. This sends the files to trash instead of deleting them instantly. That's important because it gives you one last chance to recover anything you removed by mistake. At this stage, the files are no longer in your main drive list, but they still may be using storage until trash is emptied. Next, go to trash in the left sidebar. This is the step people often miss. Even after deleting files from Drive, they can continue to take up space if they're sitting in trash. Inside trash, review the files one more time to make sure everything there is safe to delete permanently. If you see anything you need back, you can restore it before going further. Once you're confident, click Empty Trash. This is the step that permanently deletes the files and actually frees up your Google Drive storage. After emptying trash, Google may take a short time to update your storage total, so don't panic if the number doesn't change instantly. Refresh the page after a moment, and you should see that your storage usage has gone down. If you still need more space after that, go back to the storage view and keep working your way through the largest files. In many cases, just removing a few old videos or large backups can free up a surprising amount of space. You can also use this same method anytime your Google account starts getting close to the limit again. And that's it. You've now learned how to fix Google Drive full storage by removing large files and permanently clearing trash. This is one of the easiest ways to get your account back under control without paying for extra storage right away. If this video helped you out, please hit like, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next quick tutorial. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.